Hi there guys, welcome back to the channel. Thanks very much for joining us again today. Got a very short video tutorial for you today that will cover book cover design in Canva. So just before I get into that, there's a link in the description for this video that will take you to a free trial version of Canva. So if you like the look of it and if you want to give it a go, just click the link down below, okay? And that will allow you to do so. Canva is a template-based system and it allows us to utilize a whole range of templates to suit our needs and modify those templates to refine them and kind of modify the content of them usually in terms of the text. So when it comes to book covers, there's a huge library of them. So if you log into Canva with your account, this will be the first page that you come across. If you just type in the word book cover to the text search, you can see that there's a library of over 4,000 book cover templates available in Canva. So, you can refine your search by searching for a genre or a style of something in specific. If I go and do so there, you can see that they come up and that kind of refines the search a little bit. You can also choose these categories at the top here. There's some suggestions there in terms of, categories and, like I said, genre, type of book that you could kind of further refine your search with as well. In addition to that, you've got these filters on the left-hand side, so you're able to filter style, theme, subject, topic, as well as color. So if you're looking for a specific color palette, for example, you can do so with that tool down below. So once you've then found a cover that you like the look of, have a good, look around and have a good look at the templates, give it a single left click and then hit customize this template here. That'll open the cover in the Canva editor and that'll allow you then to modify, delete, add to, or do anything that you want to that template within reason. So if, for example, this text at the top here, you can then retype that by just double clicking it and typing in on your keyboard and replacing that with your own title. And then if you don't need elements, for example, this little speech bubble up here, you can give that a single left click and hit the little bin icon to delete it, as well as that text. You can see they're grouped. This vector graphic in the background is selectable and deletable. You can also kind of copy and paste things. I use the backspace key on my keyboard usually to delete objects in Canva. It's a little bit quicker, so you can see that it's quite easy to do that. If, for example, you wanted to replace that with an image that you've got of your own, you can hit delete and then upload the image from your library and bring that in. I'm just going to use that as an example. So you can see how easy it is to kind of modify and twist the template to suit your needs. Okay, so you've got access to a library of elements on the left-hand side, text you can add there as well, link from Google Drive, create a logo. So there's a whole host of things to explore and a lot of other tutorials on the channel that go into a little bit more detail in those regards. However, once you're happy with what you've got here, hit share in the top right-hand corner and then download, and that'll allow you to bring the digital file down either as an image or a PDF. Okay, so obviously PDF you'd utilize for printing and for an ebook the vast majority of the time as well. Sometimes you need it as an image, for example, so you can do so there and then hit download and that'll bring it down on whatever device that you're using as a digital file. And that's it. That concludes the video tutorial. Okay, so like I said, there's a link in the description down below that will take you to a free trial version of Canva. If you've enjoyed the video and you want to see more content of this nature, click subscribe and give us a like. And if you've got any questions or any suggestions for future videos, leave them as comments down below. Thank you very much.